Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Biotechy. In this today video, we are going to see about atomic theory and ancient Tamil researches related to it. We all know that every particles of this world is made up of atoms. Atoms is the basic unit for all substances, whether that is living or non-living. Combination of atoms is called molecule, and the molecules combine together form compound. The main difference between compound and molecules is a molecule is a thing where same or different atoms combine together. If we take compound combination of two molecules, for example, two oxygen atoms combine together forms oxygen molecule, and this oxygen molecule combines together with the carbon is called carbon dioxide compound. Likewise, two hydrogen combined together is called hydrogen molecule, and when this hydrogen molecule combines with the oxygen, then it forms H2O water. And in same, when oxygen molecule combines with the oxygen of single atom, it forms compound called ozone. And this compound is called matter, which combines together form substance or object. This theory of atom, which means every particle is made up of atoms, was theoretically first proposed by Greek philosophers named Leucippus and Democritus, and it's during the time period of 5th century BC. And this theory was reviewed by Roman philosopher and poet Lucretius at 1st century BC. Based on practically proposing, this atomic theory is done by John Dalton when he proposed his experiments with atmosphere gases, which John Dalton period is from 1766 to 1844. And this name atom is proposed by Democritus at 400 BC. Regarding at India, before John Dalton proposed atomic theory, dated back to 2500 years ago, an ancient Indian natural scientist and philosopher, Acharya Kannada, popularly called as Kashyapa, proposed the atomic theory, which is date backing round of 700 BC and before, which means from the 2nd century BC to 7th century BC is the timeline of Professor Acharya, but it is not confirmed. Professor Kannada proposed the name Anu to that substance, which means atom. So the name is too proposed earlier at India before Western philosophers. But here one sleeping data is there. Before Professor Kannada, the atom and its theory is used in the conversation of Tamil language in the form of poem and songs. The best example is Tirukural proposed by Thiruvalluvar. In that the first kural is Agara Mudala Eluthellam Adi Bhagavan Mudattrai Ulagu. In this the words Agara Mudala Eluthellam, which defines the first letter of Tamil language, are which has speciality like we can use this letter only at the first position of the word. You can't able to place this letter of any position rather than first, like Amma means mother, Anbu means love, Arasan means king, Asuran means demon. Like wherever in Tamil words you take this letter, A will come at first position only of that word. So Thiruvalluvar states how the first letter of Tamil word A used to maintain its position at first of every Tamil words where it is used. Then the second section of this Kural, it states Adi Bhagavan. Many meanings are referred to us, like it refers to sun, where Adi means it denotes fire and sun in Tamil, and sometimes it refers to parents, both father and mother. And scientifically, if you see, Adi is the initial or originated state of a form. And Bhagavan, if you take this word where Pagavu means Paguttal, you can divide the word Bhagavan into Pagavu and An. In that the Pagavu means Paguttal, which means dividing. So according to atomic theory, if we move on dividing or breaking a substance, we used to receive an object which we can't able to break it further by using any sort of technology. And that unbreakable substance is called atom, which is proposed by Western philosophers and Indian philosopher. But before them, a Tamil poet proposed this theory, like in the world a substance is there which is original form or initiated form of it, and that is the substance which is primary to everything in this world, and the combination of that particular substances leads to formation of world. This is the description of the first Kural by Thiruvalluvar, where if you take the Thiruvalluvar period is from 2nd century BC to 8th century BC, where the concept of atomic theory and the word atom was not first proposed by Thiruvalluvar, but it is already exist in the conversation of Tamil people. And this word describes at Thirukural by Thiruvalluvar means this atomic theory is already become familiar to Tamilans in their conversation before writing it. But regarding Western philosopher, scientist and Indian philosopher, it is proposing that they first used this term atom or atomic theory. But in Thirukural it is not used at first, but already it get exist in the conversation of Tamil people. So by this point of view, if we see, we don't know who introduced atom or atomic theory, but it is gradually used by the Tamil people, which is dated back to many years before. In a simple line, we have to tell means Thirukural timeline is considered as round of 300 BC to 5th century CE. So this word and the concept of atom is in the habit of speaking in Tamilans before Thirukural itself. But this Thirukural is just witness of it. Guys, I hope so you enjoyed the video and got little bit awareness from that. If you like today's video, hit that like button and subscribe for more such amazing content. Catch you guys with my upcoming videos as soon as. Take care. Bye bye.